Secrets to avoid acne when you're at the gym. Acne breakout is very common when you join a gym, and there are many reasons to it. The first one is hygiene and sweating. Sweating is good, but over sweating and allowing the sweat to retain over there, along with the dust, dirt, and the grime of the gym equipments, your towels, is extremely detrimental for the acne. That's going to act like a breeding ground for the acne and may lead to a lot of acne flare up or acne breakouts. So, what do? Inculcate good hygiene habits like washing your face and hands immediately after your workout. Cleanse your face with a good cleanser, the right one for your skin, especially on the face and on your body, so that the sweat and the oil content and the bacteria are immediately washed out. Try not to touch your face all the time during the gym. Try not to use and share towels. Try not to rub and scrub your face with your towels which are already very sweaty. So these good habits will definitely lead to reduced incidence of acne when you're joining a gym. The second one is hormones. Now, people who are into very heavy building will have high hormones like testosterone secreted in the body. Also, few people who are indulging into injection of testosterone and anabolic steroids for professional use will see a lot of flare of acne and acne breakouts happening because of these hormones, leading to increase in the oil secretion, and acne breakouts will be at a higher stage. So we've seen people with a lot of acne scarring, and that's really a challenge for them. So my advice would be, if you have acne, try to reduce intake, or maybe taking the shots of these hormones while you have acne. The third and the most important is diet. We've seen a direct correlation between diet, having whey protein, casein protein, and milk, leading to acne. Now, all these are really bad for the skin when you have acne. I know for professional reasons you really need to take them for building up the muscle body, but then what happens is they are also leading to secretion of hormones and insulin like growth factors, sometimes inflammation in the skin, and that leads to acne breakout. Especially people with heavy dairy habits, they will break out with persistent acne over the cheeks, and that really says that there's a lot of inflammation. So try to avoid these kind of protein. Shift to pea protein, of plant-based protein. Go on to eggs and chicken. Reduce on your calorie intake, reduce on your sugar, reduce on cheese and butter. Increase on vegetables like green vegetables like green beans, spinach, broccoli, carrots, because they have a lot of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, polyphenols. They will really do well to your skin and get your acne much better under control. So the inflammation caused by the whey protein and casein protein and the milk is a big no when you have acne. Try to hydrate your body with lot of water. That will really help. So like I said, go low on saturated fatty acids. Alcohol is a no. Your junk food is a no. And try to take your food very well. The next one is the hygiene of your equipments, and these will really be seen if you're touching the equipments, you're lying down on the floor contaminated with sweat and dust and bacteria. Try not to take them directly on the hand or on the face, because that will really lead to a lot of acne flare. And also, if you can do cardio is good. It's like a detox. 10 to 15 minutes every single day will help to open up the pores and reduce the bacterial content. That's good for the skin and the body too. So with all these factors, definitely with your hygiene, your sweating under control, habits, your hormones, your diet, and your equipment hygiene, I think acne can be much under control. And if you still can feel that it's not, it could be an allergy to soy or maybe nuts, come to a doctor, dermatologist, who will be able to help you with a lot of instructions and get your acne sorted. So acne is multifactorial. Try not to kind of correct it yourself. Take help when you're going to a gym and you have an acne flare, because many mishaps happen right in the initial stage, and if you do not take a professional help. Thank you so much.